Good afternoon, first grade friends. This is Julie at the First Grade Critter Cafe. I want to thank you for sending emails to me regarding my homework that I'm using this year. Actually, for the last 6 years, I've been using the Scholastic's week by week spelling. It has a really nice homework packet for parents with nightly activities that you can include. And then there's 6 weekly sight words along with 4 phonics patterns or word family words that we use for a total of 10 words to start the year. We just changed some things with our curriculum mapping, so we will be adding more than 10 words, probably 12 by October, and maybe 14 by the end of the year, we'll see. But I think right now, being our first test this week, we're going to go ahead and start with 10 words altogether. The first week I have in this manila envelope, it's a 30-week program altogether, so I took one manila folder for each week. I have 30 envelopes total. Typed up the 6 sight words that we'll be focusing on mastering this week. Put that on the front, and then inside I put any sight word cards, master copies of any materials that I have. And for example, for the word the, I found some Play-Doh mats that they'll be using for word work, a poem, and a cut and paste sequencing activity. All 3 of these things are great lead-ins for word work for Daily 5. Also, you see there Lizard the Word Wizard. He is helping us practice our sight words this week. He's one of our cafe critters. Back to the weekly spelling. We have, let's see, let me pan over here real quick. This is our learning objectives wall for the week. And if you take a look, it is Tuesday and it was a holiday. So we're a little behind, but this is what our weekly part of the focus wall would look like when we include our 6 anchor sight words and then the 4 word family words. And then as soon as we're done with those, we're going to go ahead and anchor them up to our alphabet word wall. So again, those 6 sight words right there I got from Erica's Teacher page. She has a wonderful little set that's ready to go and easy to use. It's also edible, so I can add words, and it works out perfectly for something that is store-bought like the Scholastic Weekly Reader Set is. So we did make up a curriculum calendar for the year. Some of our other lovely first grade teachers worked on this section. And as you can see right here, first grade spelling words, lesson 1, which would be week 1. Our phonics pattern, our word family pattern is going to be short O, focusing on op and odd. And then down here, we have those same 6 sight words. So we're trying to stay consistent in the district, which is really, really nice. And then we give a pretest every Monday. If a student happens to pass and get 10 out of 10 on that pretest, they go ahead and get a yellow challenge list. Now the 6 sight words stay the same, but these get a little bit more challenging. So it's something to give them a little extra incentive and a boost for those enrichment kids. Also, what was I going to say? Oh, I just had a great thought and I lost it. It's after school. You know what that means. Brain freeze. I do keep all my word cards inside of the laminated folders, and that way they can go up the same week I put them up on our focus wall. Again, some of my word work materials for those specific sight words for the week. As the weeks progress, of course, the words get harder. And hopefully by week 30, we'll be working on words such as the color words. And some of our phonics patterns will be the long vowels and, oh goodness, hunk and chunks to finish out the year. So on here, we go up to about week 33 with some review. But Scholastic, they have a 30-week program. So I hope I answered some of your questions that you did send me. I appreciate your emails, and if I forgot something, please just let me know and I'll make another video. Have a great day. Bye.